Namaskar, good morning. Welcome to the third edition of Tech in Tourism, a thoughtful platform that brings tourism, hospitality, and technology together. So I think we should start the day with a round of applause for this absolutely thoughtful initiative and many more additions to it.
Good morning, Jai Jagannath. Jai Jagannath. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining us. Thank you. I cannot share how happy, how excited I am. This is the third edition we are celebrating today, and good crowd. So this day will be a lot of excitement, engaging panels. Thank you so much for joining us. Respected distinguished speakers, we have with us Sri Siddhant Mahapatra, MLA Digapahandi. We have with us Debasis Patnaik, Director, The Crown, Dalma Chain. We have with us Nachiketa Das, Managing Director, Mall INQ. We have with us also A.K. Mahanti Bhai from Tattva Technology. When we started this Tech in Tourism back, I think 2023, when we thought of doing a program where we can create an ecosystem for the entire tourism industry. The idea was to connect and to create and to engage. At the same time, the entire industry will get benefited out of it. So we, as a private company, I stand here, founder of Retroad. We are one of the leading travel tech company in India, working with more than 3,000 hotels across India and nearby countries. We have a team of almost 30 people sitting here in Bhubaneswar and Bangalore. This initiative we started, and so we thought of let's bring hoteliers, restaurant owners, tour operators, and friends from the startup industry, those who are actually building something on the tourism, or somebody who is being a guy who is actually providing, let's say, aroma to tourism. Or let's say, the day we gave, Oxirban kind of company. Those who are actually really hard for the tourism industry, they are, impacting the entire industry. So this is kind of a historic for Odisha, because such initiative, bringing all four stakeholders, it is one of a kind. This has happened. This year we are celebrating. So this summit is not about a theory. It feels like action, real tool, real technology, real opportunity. So from AI-driven hotel operation, digital revenue optimization, from smart branding of hotel, and the next wave of hospitality belongs to those who actually involve in this tourism industry. At Retroad, our mission has always been simple: makes technology accessible, affordable, and impactable for every tourism stakeholder. Because when we all connect, it actually grows. So we are honored to have with us leader who actually shaping the tourism of Odisha, policymaker, tourism champions, global hospitality executives, and innovators from across India. We have Nachiket sir from Japan. So he has built a great technology who is impacting the tourism and the other stakeholders. So it actually signals Odisha, we are ready in terms of technologies that is going to help Odisha on a global map. And at least such initiative will help Odisha to put on a global map kind of scenario. And I really want to express my heartfelt gratitude to all our partners, to my team who really supported this, and I think this day will be a great success for us. So also we have got a small video from Mukesh Mahaling sir, Honorable IT Minister, that he could not make it possible today, but we got a video from him. I would like to, you do it after this entire inauguration over. And absolutely, thank you so much everyone again for joining us. Let's celebrate this day as an innovative day where all key stakeholders will get benefited out of it. Thank you so much. Jai Jagannath.